Have you ever been scammed online? If so, you're not alone. Today we'll be exploring the top 5 scamming countries in 2023, starting with number 5, Nigeria. In recent years, Nigeria has seen a significant increase in online scams, with fraudsters becoming more creative and ruthless in their tactics. As online commerce continues to grow, so does the opportunity for these fraudsters to exploit unsuspecting victims. The most common scams in Nigeria range from lottery scams, where victims are duped into believing they've won a substantial amount of money, to crypto scams that lure investors with the promise of high returns. Charity fraud is also rampant, exploiting the goodwill of people by soliciting donations for non-existent causes. And let's not forget work-at-home job scams, which prey on those seeking flexible employment options. These scams have cost victims not only their hard-earned money, but also their data and, in some cases, their sense of security. It's a harsh reminder of the importance of online vigilance and the need to verify before we trust. Nigeria, with its intricate web of online scams, has earned its place in our list. However, it's not alone in this dubious distinction. As we delve deeper into the world of online scams, we'll reveal other countries where this menace is equally, if not more, rampant. So, stay tuned as we unveil our 4th most scamming country next. Our 4th most scamming country is India, a place where even a simple taxi ride could be a scam in the making. With the digital age advancing at a rapid pace, India hasn't been spared from the clutches of cybercrime. The last few years have seen an alarming rise in online fraud, making it a cause for concern. One of the most common scams in India are refund scams. These cons involve fraudsters posing as representatives of well-known companies, promising refunds for overcharges that never actually happened. They typically ask for bank details to process the refund, with the actual intention of stealing your money. Tech support scams are also prevalent. Scammers claim to be tech support personnel from reputable companies, convincing their victims that their devices are infected with viruses. They then offer to fix the non-existent problem in exchange for payment. Government rebate scams have also seen a surge. The con artists, flaunting fake identities of government officials, offer tax rebates or refunds to their victims. They ask for personal information, claiming it's necessary for processing the rebate, only to misuse it later. Then there are digital marketing scams, where fraudsters promise unrealistic returns on investments in digital marketing schemes, luring people into parting with their hard-earned money. India has seen a significant spike in online scams, but it's not the only one. Next up, we have the 3rd most scamming country. Taking the 3rd spot on our list is China, where online scams are as plentiful as its population. In this age of digital advancement, China is not an exception to the rising trend of online scams. With a population of over 1 billion, it's no surprise that the number of scams is proportionately high. Chinese netizens are not just known for their technological prowess, but also for their cunningness when it comes to internet fraud. The creativity of these scammers knows no bounds. From emergency scams, where they prey on your panic and urgency, to impersonating the IRS or government officials for monetary gain, their tactics are as vast as they are deceptive. Foreign money exchange scams are another popular trick in their book. With the allure of high returns, many are lured into these traps. And let's not forget online business opportunities and employment scams. The promise of a lucrative job or business opportunity can be too tempting for many, leading them to fall victim to these scams. The issue is not just limited to the local population. With China's global influence and reach, these scams often cross borders, affecting individuals and businesses worldwide. The key to avoiding such scams is awareness and vigilance. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Scams in China are on the rise, but they're not the only country with a surge in online fraud. Let's move on to our 2nd most scamming country. In 2nd place, we have Brazil, a stunning country with a less than stunning record for online scams. The rise of scams in Brazil is a growing concern, as the digital presence of businesses and individuals expands. Brazil, a world leader in internet fraud, may not seem like an intuitive association with cybercrime. However, the country's early adoption of online banking has paved the way for opportunities in online theft. A revealing study from the Igarapi Institute shed light on the typical profile of these cybercriminals: well-educated males from the upper middle class between the ages of 25 and 35 years old. According to a report by cybersecurity firm Kaspersky, Brazil tops a list of 5 countries with the highest rate of users targeted for data theft. This is a testament to the severity of the cybercrime issue in the country. Now let's delve into the most common scams in Brazil. The Good Samaritan scam, where the scammer pretends to assist you only to trick you into giving up your personal information. Wi-Fi login scams, where attackers create fake Wi-Fi networks to steal data. Airport pickup scams, where unsuspecting travelers are tricked into paying exorbitant fees. And finally, ATM device skimmer scams, where criminals install a device on ATMs to capture card information. Brazil may be a world leader in online fraud, but it's not our #1 scamming country. Let's unveil our top spot. And finally, our #1 scamming country in 2023 is Pakistan. The digital era has brought countless benefits, but also an unsettling surge in online scams. Pakistan is no stranger to this dark trend, as frauds and scams have become a daily occurrence. The most common scams in Pakistan include attempts to gain personal information, online payment channel scams, digital marketing fraud, and prize or lottery scams. These scams exploit our trust, our curiosity, and our desire for easy money. They can happen to anyone at any time, and they are becoming increasingly sophisticated. This makes it more important than ever to stay vigilant and informed. In 2021, Banking Motasib Pakistan reported over 37,000 complaints of financial scams, a staggering 46% increase from the previous year, and in 2022, they registered close to 20,000 complaints. Pakistan tops our list, but remember, online scams can happen anywhere, anytime. Always be vigilant and stay safe online.